Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Afton and this is Cooking with Afton. Well, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make oatmeal honey bread. I'm going to show you guys step by step how to make this delicious bread, and I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Alright guys, I'm going to show you guys step by step how to make this delicious bread. It's so easy, and I want to ask you guys to please go and subscribe to my other channel. Is called Natural Afton, and all my measurements and ingredients for this bread will also be in the description box down below. And I want to ask you guys to please go and check out my playlist. I would leave a few of my playlists in the description box down below as well. Just check out my playlist and see what video you guys would like to see. I have over 100 videos on YouTube, and I would really appreciate if you guys check it out. All right, and I want to ask you guys to please watch my ads in my video. When you guys watch the ads in my video, that helps me out a lot. Alright guys, so let me just show you my ingredients for my oatmeal honey bread. Alright, so enjoy. Hey guys, so these are my ingredients for my honey oatmeal bread. So over here I have some egg, butter, my flour, some honey, yeast, oatmeal, and over here I have a little salt and some brown sugar. So let's get started. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pour in my butter into my flour, and you're gonna take your hands and you're just gonna mix it up till the butter is well combined into the flours. So we'll be back. So our flour is, so our butter is all mixed up in the flour. So in here you're gonna put your sugar and some salt. Just mix it up together just like this, and you're also gonna pour in your 1 pack of yeast. Put it all over. And mix the yeast up into the flour just like this, and then you're going to pour in your oats into the flour. Just mix everything up just like this. Alright guys, as you can see just now I barely put sugar inside of it because I want to put some honey inside. This is a honey oatmeal bread. So I just put about 3 tablespoons of honey, and I'm gonna put in 1.5 egg. Yes, because I'm gonna leave back some egg to base the top of the bread. All right, so you're gonna mix this up just like this. Everything well combined. So now this is where you have to use your hands now. So you're gonna pour in with water, a little bit, and you're gonna form a dough. Right? If you have a hand mixer, that's great, but I don't, so I have to use my hands to do everything. Right? Make sure you scrape all the edges just like this, and form your dough. Just like this. We'll be back. Okay guys, so now I'm going to take my dough and put it on this countertop here. I'm just going to put a little bit of flour, and I'm going to knead this for about 5 minutes. Let's see how long I knead it until I get it to the right consistency. So we're just going to keep on kneading it just like this. Alright, so we'll be back. So guys, I have been kneading this dough for 4 minutes, so it's all done here. So what I'm going to do now, I'm I'm going to use the same container that I had it in. I'm going to put it inside and I'm going to pour some oil. Actually, I'm going to pour the oil in my hands and I'm going to rub the dough all over with the oil, just like this. Perfect. All right. So I just put the oil. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to get a plastic wrap and I'm going to cover my dough and let it rise for about an hour. So see you in an hour, guys. Okay guys, it has been 45 minutes and this is how it's looking. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take a little flour, just a little bit, punch this down, take it out, just like this. Knead it for maybe a minute or so. Just like this. Just like this. Right? Finish kneading it. You're gonna form it so it can go in your pan. So what we're gonna do now, you have a pan here. I have some butter. I'm going to spread the butter all over the pan so the bread won't stick when you finish baking. Just like this. Just like this. See, there's a pan. This is the bread loaf here. I'm going to hold it down a little bit so we can stretch up a little bit more. And I'm going to rest it in here and flatten it down a little bit. Just like this. And then you're going to take your plastic wrap again and you're going to put it over the bread and you're going to let it rise for another half an hour. Alright, so we'll be back in half an hour. Okay guys, it has been 45 minutes and you see the bread is like double in size. We'll gently take off. Try my best to gently take it off. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do now, I have some egg wash here. I'm gonna gently just rub it on top. I'm trying not to, but I'm gonna try my best to gently rub it. I'm not finding the other soft brush, so we just have to make use with this one here. And just gently put the egg wash on top here, just like this. So I just finished pouring the egg wash there. So what I'm gonna do now, I have some raw oats. So I'm just gonna sprinkle it on top, gently as possible, just like this. And then I'm gonna put it in the oven to bake. So we'll be back, guys. Okay guys, so my bread is all done. This is my oatmeal honey bread. This is how it's looking. So I'm gonna cut it and then you guys see the end result. I can't show you guys when I'm cutting it because I don't have someone to hold the phone for me. Alright, so I cut the bread off camera. We'll be back. Okay guys, so I just cut the bread off camera. So as you can see, this bread is very soft and fluffy. So I'm gonna taste this on camera and you guys see. So we'll be back. Okay guys, so the oatmeal honey bread is all finished now. So here it is. The lighting is not that great right now because it's about 5:30 in the afternoon. So this is my oatmeal honey bread, and as you guys see, the bread is so soft and fluffy. You see? Oops. Yeah, the bread is so soft and fluffy. So you guys really need to try this recipe. Alright guys? And don't forget, if you reach the end of the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Alright guys? This bread I baked for my mom because she loves oatmeal, so I decided to bake this bread for her. Alright guys? So I'll see you guys in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe to my second channel as well, Natural Afton. Everything will be in the description box down below. Alright guys? Take care and have a blessed day. Bye!